Welcome to today's product comparison, where we're putting the UREVO walking pad and the UMAY fitness home folding treadmill head-to-head based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into which of these indoor fitness solutions might be the right fit for you. When it comes to affordability, the UREVO walking pad takes the lead with a lower price point. According to reviewers, it's a cost-effective choice for those seeking a portable and lightweight treadmill option, making it ideal for small spaces and easy storage. On the other hand, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, while higher in price, is praised for its compact and foldable design, offering powerful performance without sacrificing space. Feature-wise, the UREVO walking pad is celebrated for its quiet operation, easy movability, and convenience for walking routines, even accommodating the use of dumbbells for added exercise options. Conversely, the UMAY treadmill impresses with its quiet brushless motor's speed capabilities up to 8.7 miles per hour, pulse sensors, and manual incline options, catering to a more varied workout experience. In terms of convenience, the UREVO excels with its portability and ease of use, fitting well under desks or in small living spaces. It's particularly noted for its quiet operation and suitability for long hours of use without requiring constant adjustment. The UMAY, with its hydraulic system and wheels, offers ease of storage and setup, making it an excellent option for those who value a blend of performance and space efficiency. Overall, both the UREVO walking pad and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill receive positive feedback from users. The UREVO is often highlighted for its affordability, quiet operation, and convenience, making it a solid choice for casual walkers and those with limited space. The UMAY, while higher in price, is praised for its compact design, powerful performance, and versatile features, appealing to those looking for a more intense workout experience. Thank you for watching our comparison of the UREVO walking pad and the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Whether you're looking for a quiet walking solution or a feature-rich treadmill for a more intense workout, we hope this comparison helps you make the best choice for your fitness journey. Check out the product links in the description for more details. Until next time, happy shopping!